Udogachi, most of them bundori. Yeah, thieves and criminals. I have my evidence. Mr. Makai, iwo nyoke jiwo, ewo mwafi iwo ya Anambra. Yes, in name he Ndi Udogachi name. My indignation by name Anambra. I'm not seeing the reasons to accept name. If Ndi Udogachi be apolo, Mmuo mmiri afulanya, Ndi Ushika how. Take me to court. Yes. Take me to court. They have sent me the evidence. Yes, now. Okay, with CCTV here. Take me to court. Let me expose it. Anna Sekorea. Yes, now. I'm sending this message to Mr. Makai. On ala pro Mmuo mmiri unu yeji emotifo ona amaho. Opun me homeland law that is not against house. Una ashawo ana na-egia revenue na after una ashawo. Mano no di elu ihe soria. The constitution of Nigeria, homeland constitution ngunu. Maybe homeland constitution ngunu out of how many pages? Come on, 50 something pages. Homeland constitution. There's nowhere you're not going to say that any person that Nigeria constitution is against prostitution. Homeland constitution is not against prostitution. Nigeria constitution is have a freedom of religion. Homeland constitution is against the freedom of religion. Mmuo kasi egwa say that na Ndi Udogachi, most of them bundori. Yeah, thieves and criminals. I have my evidence. Come and arrest me. Take me to court and I'll prove it. Invite me and I will show up. Lapun this young man aka now. Omelono gini. Lapun this young man aka. Lapun yakona ombong. Let me tell you people what people don't know. From Mr. Makai, Ken, iwo nyoke jiwo, ewo mwafi iwo ya Anambra. Oburu nwa ka na-eme ihe a na-eme this guy. Check obi ya adịghị. Ya bụla ajụjụ. Ihe asị na ịma ihe Ndi Udogachi na-eme, ma ịma ihe ndị agụ na-eche mba na-eme na Anambra. I'm not seeing the reasons to accept na ịma. The worst thing they make you to hold me. Yes, now. You can't silence me now, not possible. Before I speak, I will make sure there is evidence. And if there's my harbor, anime share. Because me, I can die anytime. Make everybody following me. When you're follow celebrate him. I put up myself to die young. I'm a young. Actually, I prison now. Oh, yes, onu game. The only homeland loan. I believe that now they can sentence somebody to death by anything because Nigeria constitution now is go death, but people can do it. Oh, now aja na Anambra na phone. Bube no mazi aka ha docha. I phone you Mr. Mark, I personally said that God. Oh, when you like Mwoki, that's when I like Walongyo. You could say what's in here, man. But at this point, I've never enough for him by a get out of that can on a fake here and always. That guy am on a camera there, and no man wants to be a weakling. No one wants to portray that he's a weakling in the front of the people. Talking of camera. Oh no, man. But with time, the Anambras will choose to die under a gunshot than to watch people oppress them and depress them in this manner. Because yeah, I told you people that Ndi is not trained, they are rehabilitated. Killing innocent souls. Unprofessionals. I see a reason to say, self-defense. But more than 90% of people have been taken down or laughing. Hear him alone. When you stand on his right, a man invite me, or you come and pick me up. I just get me with the detain team na prison. But although possible, I'm going to use you. Although possible, that people are in, no. I believe.